Good morning. You're welcome to a very interesting episode of Chris Junior Electrical. So today, most of my clients are saying Chris Junior Electrical is a bit too professional in terms of appearance. So I decided to be casual. So I decided to wear my Christmas cloth out today. Okay, so today on Chris Junior Electrical lecture, I want to teach you how to install a 20 amps high power switch. A 20 amp switch that can control any of your appliances that is 20 amps or less. Okay, you can control your AC. Traditionally in our country we call it AC switch, but these switches are not meant for ACs only. They are meant for both AC. They are meant for your water heaters and any electrical equipment that is less than 20 amps. Okay, so I want to teach you the process of installation. It is very simple. It's just like your traditional sockets and switches. It's very simple to install. Okay, so we have already done the wiring here, and you can see these are the inputs. Okay, the input. This means that the cables that are supplying current from the distribution board, that is the current carrying conductor. You can see the current carrying cable. These are the current carrying cables here. You have the live, and you also have the neutral, and you also have the earth. The purpose of this earth is to protect your building from perhaps shocks and also lightning. Okay, for lightning protection, we will deal on earthing in subsequent videos. I will teach you a lot about earthing. Okay, so this is the output. You can see the black here. This is the neutral, and this red is the live. Now, normally that the function of a switch is just to close a circuit, to complete a circuit. Okay, so this cable here, if you take this cable here, this current carrying cables, and you connect it directly like this, the current will flow to the device or to the equipment, because this cable here is just the function of the switch is just to complete the circuit. Okay, so today we're going to be using a switch to complete this circuit. We're not going to connect it directly, so that we're able to put it off and on. So we have our cable, our supply cable here. Take note, these are our supply cables: red supply cable, the live, and the neutral. Okay, if you connect this live and neutral now to this, I said it will power on the device or the equipment or the AC, the water heater, whatever it's connected to. And this is the earth for protection. Make sure you always add the earth to whatever connection you're making. Okay, so I have a switch here from A and B Tech. I was not paid to advertise to do any advert for A and B Tech, but over the years, many years of experience, I've discovered that A and B Tech ranks among the best products you can get anywhere in the world, precisely Nigeria. Okay, so A and B Tech ranks among the best products you can ever get. In terms of durability, they are top notch. In terms of quality also, they are top notch. So I really give a thumb up for A and B Tech. Okay, so this is the switch we're working on with today. We have this A and B Tech 20 amp switch. Okay, so this is the switch here. This is the A and B Tech switch. Okay, it's very beautiful. Okay, you can say that again. I heard you say it. Okay, so this is the switch here. So this is you can see it if my camera is good enough. You can see the output. Okay, so this is the out, and this is the in. The live in, this L means live in, neutral in, that's for this. Then live out, neutral out. Okay, it's very simple, and the earth, very easy to install. Okay, so let's go. So what you do at the process of installation, first thing is to properly peel the cable. You have already identified the cables that in comes and the one that out goes. So you properly peel your cables. Make sure you're not exposing the live part of the cable whenever you're making any connection. Okay, these are the current carrying cables. This is the earth. This is the earth, and this is the outgoing cable. You can also call this the supply cable. This one here is the supply cable, and this is the output. Okay, so that's the neutral output and the live output. Okay, can you see it? Very easy to install. Okay, nice. I actually peeled off the insulator and the cables are a little bit exposed. You don't just peel it to this point. I see some electricians or technicians, when they are peeling cables, they are removing the insulator, they just peel it to this point. After connection, this can lead to a short circuit. You must make sure you peel your cable at a very, like 0.5 inch, so that it does not expose the naked part of your switch. Okay, so it's time for connection. I said this is the output and this is the input. So the output, okay, so this one go out. Okay. Out. In. Let me put your switch on the wall. Let's look. Pretty nice. Okay. And use this to balance the switch on the wall. Looking very great. Bye. See you in another video where I'll teach you how to install sockets, switches and other electrical equipment. So from now, you hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.